Burnham Hydronics has introduced more new high-efficiency products over the last several years than any other company at any time in the history of hydronic heating. With new Energy Star gas-fired residential boilers to high-efficiency oil-fired boilers, including advanced design 3-pass cast iron boilers, along with the industry's only 3-pass oil-fired steam boiler, and the only American-made commercial 3-pass boiler with 89% efficiencies and units up to 3.5 million BTUs. And together, Burnham's expansive lineup of hydronic heating products boasts the highest average efficiency, exceeding 85%, with maximum efficiencies over 95%. And it doesn't stop there. Burnham Hydronics now offers the broadest line of condensing boilers available from any manufacturer anywhere. Only Burnham provides all the condensing options: cast aluminum heat exchangers, stainless steel heat exchangers, and 3 venting options, including the popular PVC piping system, the European standard polypropylene concentric venting, and AL29-4C stainless steel 2-pipe systems. Truly, Burnham has set the new standards for hydronic heating equipment in residential and commercial products, for gas-fired and oil-fired applications, with water and steam boilers, and super high-efficiency condensing boilers. To provide this extensive product lineup, Burnham has invested in world-class manufacturing facilities, including their own foundry in Zanesville, Ohio, and new assembly operations in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, including state-of-the-art computer numerical controlled machines, providing exacting product tolerances to 1/10,000th of an inch. Along with the best engineering capabilities available anywhere, Burnham delivers world-class marketing, technical sales, and sales support unmatched in North America. And there is more to come. Burnham is continuing to develop new products, new capabilities, and innovations that will keep them and their customers at the forefront of the best heating available for years to come. Burnham Hydronics, continuing to be the leader in hydronic heating, with the most complete and advanced product lineup, and the one that's made in America. Burnham really is on the move.